Blessed Rising, and welcome to this beautiful morning. My name is Daniel, and I'm very thankful that you are taking the time for yourself with these confident affirmations to start your day off on the right track. Please do not listen to this recording while you are operating machinery or driving. I recommend you play these affirmations with headphones, either sitting down or lying flat on your back. These affirmations could work wonders to boost your confidence, especially if you listen to them every day for 21 days in a row, preferably even before you get out of bed. Affirmations are a great way to remind ourselves who we are and what we expect from ourselves. While the world outside might seem to be full of turmoil at times, it is often best to look inside to see how we are feeling and just check in with ourselves, and in particular, how we talk to ourselves. When we are confident, it is much easier to achieve our goals and navigate relationships with others. I believe that we all might benefit from being our own best friends without judgment or expectations, which usually lead to disappointment. The way we talk to ourselves can be detrimental to our mental and physical well-being. When we are loving towards ourselves, the world just seems like a better place, and we carry that energy with us wherever we go. So before we start these affirmations, I would like you to connect with your breathing in order to release all resistance or discomfort. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose and feel how it slowly fills up your belly. Observe how the air leaves your stomach all by itself. And just pay attention to how your respiratory system works on its own. Witness how your belly rises and falls so gracefully without any help from our minds. Our minds are beautiful tools. They might be the most advanced technology the universe has ever seen. It is true that our minds provide our needs in the forms of shelter and nourishment or solving problems. However, our minds can also work against us at times when our survival instincts are not required. Fear and doubt can find their way into our experience easily, which can bring us down and make us feel overwhelmed. With these positive affirmations, we can raise up our vibration relatively quickly and get back into the flow of things on our terms with an optimistic and easygoing attitude of gratitude. As you breathe deeply in and out, I want you to relax and let your body sink into the ground. Feel your feet just relaxing. And let go all tension up to your ankles as you inhale. And you exhale, the relaxation goes up your legs to your knees and up to your thighs. And as you exhale again, you feel all the tension from your waist and your core melting into your meditation position. And as you breathe again, you feel that your heart is beating slower than before. And your next deep breath will go directly to your heart. Feel the prana, or life force energy, coming in through your nose straight to your heart as you take a deep and loving breath inward. You keep breathing, and your upper body now is feeling the relaxation. Your shoulders drop, and you feel the tension from your throat totally dissipating away. The next deep breath, you start to feel the tension in your jaws disappearing as you let your jaws drop and the breath flows even smoothly out through your throat. Now you feel the tension in your cheeks and in your eyes and in your ears just melting away as we exhale all the negativity out of our lungs. Now we breathe into the top of our head to where the crown chakra would be, and we connect with the confidence of kings and queens. And as we breathe, we can connect the crown of our head down through the heart to our root chakra, or our core, and all the way down to our legs and feet. We can visualize a light that's connecting between our feet all the way up to the top of our head. As we breathe in, it goes up, and we exhale, it goes down to the bottom of our feet. Let's take a few more breaths and prepare ourselves for these morning confidence affirmations. In order to start our day off the way that we would like to start our day, full of confidence and self-assurance and self-love, to take that energy with us all throughout the day, and remind ourselves anytime our mind is not exactly cooperating with us of these affirmations and how much we love ourselves. So let us begin. I am confident that today is going to be a fantastic day, full of productivity and healthy communication with myself and others. Today, I face my day with infinite courage and love for myself. Loving myself the way I am feels fantastic. I am thankful to myself for taking the time to check in and meditate with these affirmations. Everything I need is within me. I am in control of my life. I deserve everything that I desire. I am confident in my abilities. I am calm and mindful. I am my own best friend, the only one who knows what is happening within me. I am thankful for who I am. I am doing a wonderful job with the tools that are at my disposal. I accept the current life situation that I am in, and I know that things can only get better as long as I am in tune with myself. Today is going to be a wonderful day with some challenges that might seem hard to tackle. Yet with confidence and mindfulness, I can overcome any obstacle. Today, I feel confident because I know that I am good at what I do. I love and respect myself. I deserve to become the best version of myself. I am confident and strong. I refuse to take on things and energies that don't serve my purpose. I deserve to be happy. I radiate confidence, self-respect, and inner harmony. I am enough. Even though I am working on bettering myself, I am good enough as I am already. I am that I am. I am that I am. I am that I am. Before I am a father, or before I am my job or a husband, I am. And my connection to myself is precious to me. I trust my intuition. All I need is already within me. I am powerful. I believe in myself. I create positive and balanced relationships. I have confidence in every decision I make. I am beautiful on the inside and on the outside. I love my body. My smile can light up any room instantly. I choose to be happy today. I am worthy. I am blessed with a wonderful family and great friends who care deeply about me. I am unique. I am taking the necessary steps to make my dreams come true. I love myself. I forgive myself quickly when I make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. That's the only way to learn. I am confident. I am confident that today is going to be a wonderful day, full of productivity and good exchange of energy between me and everyone I come across. I am thankful for myself for taking this time with these positive affirmations to help me connect to the confidence that is already inside of me. Let's take a few moments to connect with our breathing as we exhale. All the fear and doubt, and inhale. confidence and love towards ourselves and everyone we encounter. Inhale again. And exhale. Thank you for taking this time for yourself and for allowing me to be your guide toward yourself and your own self-confidence. You do not need me for your own confidence. I am just a guide, here to show love to you because I am you. We are all one love. We are all one being. Thank you for taking this time today and loving yourself. Have a wonderful day.